yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Status when I'm trading that gold. Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame. Wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, vision stay high. Discipline and focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Charts light up, I move with precision. Kept stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's what from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king go. Charts light up, I move with precision. Kept stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's what from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Wake up early, markets on my mind. Charts in my vision, profits on the grind. Discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how winners stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. From red days to green days, that's part of the climb. It's a marathon hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading.
Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right. Yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, my vision stay high. Ain't no plan and focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Yeah. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow. Compound
Yo, it's your boy Cash King. As you guys know, I lost my funded account. I wonder if it's too loud. Hold on. It's too loud for me.
No shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top.
All right, as you guys know, I lost my funded account that Friday, and it ended up doing exactly what I wanted. I was up here, right? I wanted to take sales right here, right? And it just shot down like crazy. It shot all the way down. I'm like, wow. I'm like, oh my gosh, man. I'm like, I could have caught all that, but it is what it is. Next time, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait on my setup no matter what. No matter how long it takes, I'm gonna wait on my setup because I could have caught I could have at least caught this right here all the way down. I could have caught because it hit TP 0, 1, 2, and 3 in a matter of minutes. I'm like, oh my god. So it hit all my TPs. If I would have just waited, I would have probably made some crazy bank. But the grind don't stop there. I'm gonna keep going regardless. I got me another account grinding. I already passed the same day. I passed the same day because I was gonna catch that drop. I was gonna catch part of my trade, and I made a lot of money. So I had to lose money so I can get kind of close to my consistency rule. I made about I made crazy bank on this account. See, can I find? Yeah, look at that. I made all this 14. This boom, boom, boom. I had to lose some money, 8,000, just to get close to my consistency rule. And I'm still kind of over it. Couple, maybe $2,000 or more than that. So I had to lose that. But it is what it is. Sometimes, if you don't follow your plan and your setup, You know, it'll crush you, and that's what it did me. You know, I should have just waited like I said I was gonna do, but I ended up buying, and I ended up selling, and I ended up buying, just playing the game. You know what I mean? And I ended up losing the game, so it's all good. It's all good. You know, I'm gonna pass. Hopefully, I pass this one, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna pass it. I just need $4,000 more since I'm over 4,000. I need 4,000 more to pass that consistency rule, because I already passed the account. I just need to pass the consistency rule, which I hate. I feel like prop firms do that so you can mess up, and I feel like that's the reason why they do that. You know, not because they want to see if you good, if you're good at trading. Nah, I don't believe that. I think they just, you know, want to make it harder for, you know, for you to get it, you know, for you to get a funded account. That's the only reason why I feel like they made up the consistency rule. Because if I get up to 3,000, okay, in one day, okay, cool, you know. And even if I was to pass it, you know, not everybody make it to that payout zone. Not everybody gonna make it to that payout zone. So, you know, why not just let traders do what they do, you know? And if they make it to the payout zone, cool. But nah, they want to make it hard. They want to put that consistency target on you, and you can't make over 50% of your profit target. I'm like, bro, come on. But you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this. Hopefully I pass it today or tomorrow, and we're gonna knock this out the park and get funded again. And I'm gonna buy a couple more, because I don't care. I'm gonna go ahead and get a payout on this one. I'm definitely gonna get a payout regardless. If I make it my way up to 2,000 and come all the way back down to 500, I'm taking a payout, and I'm gonna buy a couple more, and boom, you know, we're gonna do it like that. But I just need $4,000 more. I think 4,000 or 5,000, one of them, and we're gonna see what we can do today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for 9:30 to see what happens. But I could take it right now, because it looks like it's going to come up here today. It could, but I also want to see price close that gap. But price might not close the gap like I wanted to close it. So it might continue to push. It might push right back up here. So if anything, I'd probably take a little scalp to the upside. I could take that scalp to the upside and just, you know, see where it takes me. You know what I mean? Look like it's trying to push up now. So trying to see what I should do. I'm gonna wait for 9:30, see what 9:30 have to offer, and I'm gonna call it a day after that. If I make money, I make money. If not, this first trade, whatever the first trade gonna be, if I lose or win, whatever I make, cool. If I lose, whatever I lose, I'm gonna go ahead and just end the stream there and just lock the account. So I just come back tomorrow strong and with another setup. But I plan on losing maybe about $500 today, and making, who knows, 2,000. You know, that's the goal. Get as close as my consistency target as possible. And yeah, let's go to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard right now just to show you what I'm talking about. I think it's 5,000. I'm not sure. We're sure about to find out though. Pat to funding. This is the practice account. Righty. Okay, so best day, $4, whatever. So additional profit needed. They say I need 5,210. The lady, I don't know if it was a lady or a man, but I spoke to customer support about that. Let's see, could I bring it up? All right, they said I need about 4K more. Based on your current profit for the day, you'd be required to make an additional 4,000 approximately. So that's what, you know, this lady said. I need to make about 4K more, which is pretty cool. You know, I can do that. You know, that's doable. But you know what I don't like is the fact that I make this right. I go ahead and make this 58,000 or whatever, and they're gonna reset everything. They're gonna reset everything again. I'm like, bro, come on, man. We don't have to keep resetting, but I guess that's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. So we gonna knock this out the park, and we just gonna keep it pushing, man. We're gonna keep it pushing. So I'm gonna just wait for 9:30. If 9:30 ended up being up here, then cool. Hey, it is what it is. But hopefully, price push down. We get that push that we want, and boom, close up the gap a little bit, if not all the way, and just gonna take it from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mute my mic and just wait for 9:30 to come up.
Consistency daily, that's how when I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. From red days to green days, that's part of the climb. It's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, study like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. I'm grinding every sunrise, vision in my sight. Stacking up the knowledge, I'm prepared for the fight. From the late nights hustling to the charts I slay. I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson, every scar is a gain. Cash king mentality, I pay my own way. A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray. Dreams ain't distant, I can feel it in my hands. Turning small flips daily to a legacy. Turning small flips daily to a legacy that stands. No fear, no doubt, just the price I gotta pay. 'Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million one. Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame. Wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, vision stay high. Ain't no plan focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up so compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Yeah. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near.
I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flick real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that wave. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night. I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that way. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night.
Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's what from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades.
Patience the key, no FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king go. Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins as well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits. profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I'll uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Crank king status when I'm trading that gold. Yeah, I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the markets start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that wave. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night. I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the markets start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that way. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night.
Wake up early, markets on my mind. Charts in my vision, profits on the grind. Discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes.
I got 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. I say 5 minutes. 5 minutes to 9:30, baby. Yes, sir. I think it's gonna drop.
I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head. From red days to green days, that's part of the climb. It's a marathon hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame. Wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, my vision stay high. Ain't no putting focus, gotta stick it to a lie. Every pip count is stacking up, so compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Yeah. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just a grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains.
All right, 9:30. 9:30. 9:30. 9:30. Let's see what it's gonna do.
Pockets getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, study like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Just stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's what from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king go. Shots light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins as well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no pre, just strategy. Every candle a story. All
right, once price gets down here, I'm in there, baby. I'm in there. I'm in there. I like how it's pushing down. I love that. I love that for real. It makes me happy that it's pushing down. As a gap right here, it's closing this gap. I hope it don't reject. But sometimes, you know, it'll do that. Come on, keep going. Keep coming down. Keep coming down. If you gotta pull back, cool. Cool. And then come down, cool. I'm waiting on you. I'm gonna wait on you this time, buddy. I ain't buying. I ain't doing none of that. I see my setup. This is my setup. If it don't come down here, hey, it's just not gonna be a trading day for me. I want to see that gap close before I take any buys, because it could just zoosh, go up and just zoosh, and then I'll be stuck. Then I'll be stuck scratching my head, and I ain't trying to scratch my head. There we go. There we go. I could have took a sell already. Man, Spanker, don't let her do that mess. I don't let her do that stuff to me. Don't do that no more, Kylie. I ain't playing with you. All right, it's rejecting. I like that. No, what I'm talking about is rejecting. I don't like that. But I do want it to keep on pulling back and then come down. It start to be strong. Look at all these sales. People starting to notice, okay, it's about to sell off. I ain't selling. Not yet. Not yet. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's gonna close up that gap. If anything, it's gonna close up part of the gap. But don't close up all the gap.
I know I'm gonna make $1 million one.
Trying to see where can I take it. I could take it right here too. There we go. Come on. Come on. I'm in there.
Order filled.
I'm in there. $2,000 a bit much. But gotta do what we gotta do. We lose 2,000. We lose 2,000.
Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed,
Man, that's a
just
bit too much though.
strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash
That's
can
way
go.
too much. What am I risking, bro? That's way too much for me right now. I want to close out, but then I don't.
Shots light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read and
Yeah, I knew it was
Order
gonna do
filled.
it. I knew it was gonna do that. I already knew. I can't do the fives. I can't do the fives. I don't even know why I tried that. I don't even know why I tried to do that, bro. I'm gonna get back in. Though. Cause they didn't even give me enough room to even do anything. They didn't give me enough room.
Order filled.
It didn't give me enough room to do anything. Literally, it didn't. I lost the count. It's gone.
Order
I
filled.
lost it. I lost it again. Oh, why does this keep happening, bro? I don't know why I started with 5 contracts, bro. Why did I start with 5 contracts?
Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close.
I don't know what to do. I guess I don't know, man. I'm just gonna have to take a break, bro. Because I don't know, man. I promise I don't know anymore. I know it's gonna come down there, but maybe I was risking way too much. Had to be risking way too much. Man, bro. I should have just waited. I should have waited before I even did this, bro. Again, how did I lose that in 5 contracts, bro? 5 contracts is a no-no. Dang, this how many I lost. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. 5 accounts. It's ridiculous. Overtime, not today, just overtime. Had to, be honest right there, bro. Gotta be honest. But watch this, bro. I already know it's gonna come down. I already know it. I already know it's gonna come down, bro. This is ridiculous, man. This is ridiculous, man. No.
Playing like a king, cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that wave. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run
Well, what can I do next time? Next time, I can't use no 5 contracts unless I am planning on I don't know. Unless I'm planning on what I'm trying to say. Scalping. Unless I'm planning on scalping. I know it's gonna come down here. Right now it's just pulling back. That's all it's doing right now. So trying to see how could I do better next time. Instead of me, let's go to the practice. Instead of me doing 5, I'm gonna have to do 1.
Order
and
filled.
Then do 1. 1 is better anyway. Why I just didn't do 1? And I coulda, risk 1,000 or whatever to make 1780, bro. Why didn't I think about this, bro? See, I don't think, I just do, and that's a problem. That's really a problem. So that's what I'm gonna do next time. I feel like I'm just gonna do 1 contract. That's all I need to get to 5. I ain't doing 5. I'm gonna do 1. I already know it's gonna come down. It's gonna keep coming down. It's gonna keep coming down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 1. I'm gonna call it a day. But even that, it can come all the way down here. I could have definitely, did exactly what I wanted. Risk 925, come back tomorrow, risk 925 again. I could have did that, but I ended up being, I don't know, I just ended up doing some dumb stuff, bro. And it's just part of the journey. I'm not mad at myself, it's just part of the journey. Some things I'm gonna have to learn, but once I get to a certain point, I figure everything out, how much I want to risk and everything, and you know, because I'm kind of still new to futures, so I still don't know, you know, what I want to target. But you know, if it comes up here, then cool. You know, it is what it is. But I'm about to go ahead and end the stream. You know, I lost. I'll probably take a little break. Come back strong. That's what I'm gonna do. Take a little break, come back strong. Probably, who knows, at the end of October.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's looking for blood. That's what it's doing. It's looking for blood. Definitely. It's looking for blood right now. But it'll come back down. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna get next time, because I don't know if I want the 50K anymore. 50K, it's too easy to lose. It's too easy to lose. I think what I'm gonna get, I think I'm gonna get the 150K. I'm gonna get the 150K this time. You know what? I'm gonna get the 100K. Forget that 150K. There you go. Forget the 150K. I'm good on that. And I'm gonna have to come up with some type of game plan. I probably get like 2 of these. I'm gonna get 2 of these. And I'm gonna come up with some type of game plan of how much can I risk? How much should I risk a trade? Because what I can do, this is what I can do, right? This is what I can do. I could do something like this, because I think that's the max for is this max or yeah, the max position is 10. So what I can do, I could just take a few scalps like this. Boom.
Order filled.
I can't do that. I can't even
Order
do that.
filled.
So what I would do for this one, I probably do like a 3. Let's see if I do
Order
like a
filled.
3, and that's still a bit too much.
Order filled.
That's still a bit too much. That's just a practice count anyway. I'm just trying to see what I do. But anyway, I think I'm gonna start risking 500 instead. Let me see, let me reset it right quick. Let me go ahead and reset this mess. I'm gonna come up with a game plan. I ain't playing, bro. I promise you I'm gonna come up with a game plan, and I'm gonna go ham, bro. I promise you that. I promise you that. Once I come up with that game plan, bro, it's over. It's over with. It's over with. Promise you.
Order filled.
Let's delete that. So it won't be.
Order
be that.
filled.
It won't be that. It's gonna be maybe like a. Let's see, could I do 2? I 2 look.
Order filled.
I can't do 2 neither, cause I need some.
Order
room.
filled.
I need some room. Give me a second. Gotta see which one can I use.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to use one contract, or what I can do, I can go to micro, because I probably gonna have to go to micro if I want to. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to go to micro. Micro probably, you know, better for me to use this instead.
Order filled.
I'm grinding every sunrise, vision
I
in
just want to
my
see something right
sight,
quick.
stacking up the knowledge. I'm prepared.
Yeah, we're gonna have to
for
use
the
micro. Micro gonna be better.
fight. From the late nights hustling to the charts, I
Let's see how
stay.
many
Order
we can do.
filled.
Let's see if we
I
can
know
do
I'm
10.
gonna touch $1 million
Order filled.
one day. Pressure turned to diamonds, and I was
1,000.
built
Nah.
from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson. Every scar is a game.
7. Let's see, can we use 7?
Order filled. Order filled.
A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray.
Nah, I don't like 7.
Dreams ain't
Order filled.
Let's go to 5. 5 good enough.
Order filled.
562. risking 562 to make. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna next account that I have, which is gonna be probably the 100K. I'm gonna risk 500 each trade to make 1,000 or whatever. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, bro. Because I have more room. I have more room, you know, which would be nice if I was to do that. So, and I can even bring it down a little bit more, you know. I have some breathing room, and I like that I have some breathing room with micro instead of trading the mini, and it just immediately got me out. You know, it immediately blew my account. So that's what I need to figure out, and I think I figured it out of what I want to use next time. For the 100K, and I think I just need 6,000 to pass, which would be probably pretty easy if I have the room. I need, bro. That's all I need is room. If I have the room, I'm good. You know, I can set my stop loss. You know, I can set my stop loss high, pretty high. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna risk 500 each trade, because I think the max limit is 4,500 for the 100K, and I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna have two of them. I'm gonna have two 100K accounts in October, end of October, and I'm going there, man. Now that I know what I'm gonna do, and this is what I'm gonna do, micro instead of mini, because mini just do too much for me, man. Mini do way too much for me, and I can't. Even one contract is too much for me. One contract is definitely too much for me. I do one contract, it's still way too much.
Order filled. Order filled.
Still way too much. 500. No, I still need that room. I still need. I guess you could say it's kind of decent. It's kind of decent, but from here to here, that's enough room for me, you know, and still can make a nice profit with one contract on, well, I think it's 5 contracts on the mini, or 4. It's one of 8, probably 8 contracts. So let's close this one out and let's go back to
Order
mini.
filled.
And I want to see something.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think I was using 8.
Order
And I
filled.
was risking. Maybe I wasn't using 8. I wasn't using 8.
Order filled.
Let's use 5.
Order filled.
5. I think that'd be okay. That'd be fine if I'm risking 5 contracts on a mini instead of that one contract on NAS, which would give me everything that I'm looking for, and plus you know, a little breathing room for 5 contracts. So, but anyway, you know, it is what it is. You know, I lost again. And I'm not really mad about it, because at the end of the day, you know, I'm gonna have to learn how to stop doing that, and I'm gonna have to come up with a game plan of how much I want to lose. If I lose this, cut it off, no matter what, cut it off. If I lose this, cut it off, and just trade again the next day, because the market's still gonna be open tomorrow, you know, and gotta come up with with a game plan. And that's why I'm messing up, because I have no game plan. It's not my strategy. It never was my strategy. It's me. That's what it is. It's me, because I don't have no game plan. I gotta come with a game plan. Once I come with that game plan, it's over. I promise you, it's over. Once I come with that game plan, it's over. It's literally over. But right now, you know, it is what it is, man. You know, it's something that I gotta learn from. And a lot of people gonna come and go, you know, watching me, because, you know, once you lose, people gonna be like, you know, I can't really learn from you. You losing, you know, we on the same level. Not necessarily. You know, my strategy is not my strategy. It's me. So what I gotta do, I gotta come back and I gotta better my psychology, and I gotta come back with a game plan. But I'll probably take a little break from streaming, because it don't make sense for me to. I'm not about to trade no fake money. I'm sorry. You know, I'm well above that. Well above that. I'm not about to trade no fake
Order
demo
filled.
account and not have no reward after that. No, I'm not doing that. So I think it's just best that I take a break and take a break.
For the fight. From the late nights hustling to the charts I slay.
Take a little break and
I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day.
yeah.
Pressure turned to diamonds, and I was built
That's what I think I'm
from
gonna do.
pain.
Just take a break.
Loss is just a lesson. Every scar is a game. Cash king mentality, I pay my own way. A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray. Dreams ain't distant, I can feel it in my hands. Turning small flips daily to a
Close my subscription for now.
Turning small flips daily to a legacy that stands. No fear, no doubt, just the price I gotta pay. 'Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million one.
Yes, sir. So yeah, I'm not really worried about it too much, you know. But next time, what is it? October 13th. So by the end of October, I should be back. Or maybe before then, who knows? But at maybe the 27th or 28th, I should be back, and I should have a game plan already, you know, set of how much I'm gonna lose. This what I want to lose. This what I want to make a day, and boom. But this time, bro, it's about to be a whole different me, man. Next account I have gonna be a whole different me. I'm planning on losing $500 on 100K to make. However, I'm going to chase my TPs, and I'm gonna let it ride. I promise I'm gonna let it ride. And I'm not gonna just get in. I'm gonna have to wait for confirmation. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna just get in next time. I'm gonna wait for that confirmation, so I won't get faked out, because that what it did right here is a fake out. It faked out back to the upside, and it might even come right back down. And I won't be able to catch that. I won't be able to catch my setup because of what it did. But again, you know, it's something I gotta learn from, and you know, I'm gonna lose until I get it right, and I'm not gonna give up on this, man. You know, I came too far to just give up, and I'm not the type. Let me say this. I give up on things that I don't want. I give up on things that I don't want, and I'll fight for things that I do want. You know, and that's just me. You know, I realized that I should have just took US 30. I should have did it. But yeah. But I'm still going I might still stream. I don't know. I might still stream and just paper trade on here. You know, so I could just continue to, you know, do what I do. I might just take a break. It just depends. If you see me tomorrow, then that means I made my decision to keep streaming daily. You know, no matter what. even though I don't have no account, no reward to get after, you know, anything. But if you don't see me, then I mean I'm taking a break till I get another account and with a different game plan. So it's your boy Cash King. This is part of my journey. I'm out.